Good morning. Welcome back to Northern Thailand. It's just now about 6:30 in the morning, and the reason I'm up so early today is because I'm going to show you my take on fermented plant extract. It's a Korean natural farming input known as FPE. So come along with me and I'll show you what I'm up to. Now, FPE is not a Korean natural farming input. It's actually an input from the other side of the natural farming house called Chadam. But this right here that you see me extracting, this is the KNF twist, the KNF way. This is lactic acid bacteria. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using it with these red mulberry flowers to pair up with some reverse osmosis water that's as close to neutral as any water you can use. Water is really, really important when making these inputs. You want the cleanest thing possible to use. But anyway, I'm picking my red mulberry flowers right now, which is right in between the fruit and flowering stage. Really, really powerful stuff right now with where it's at for both nutrient and to a certain degree, even microbiology. But right now what we're going for is we're going for the nutrients. That's what this whole process is about. We are going to lacto-ferment with the lactic acid bacteria, LAB, clean RO water, give it a little bit of a gap up towards the top so it has room to breathe, swirl it around a little bit, and you'll see what happens is that the LAB settles down towards the bottom with the water on top. That's perfect. That's perfectly fine. After this, you're going to give it a breathable lid. All you need to do is just get yourself a little paper towel or a napkin and then rubber band around it. And then in 21 days, what you are going to have is an extremely powerful liquid fertilizer and input that you can use in combination with things like JMS or JLF or any other type of liquid fertilizer that you might be using. Now, 21 days ago, I did one with my avocado leaves from my avocado tree, and this is what it looks like. Now you're going to see this discoloration towards the top. That's fine. That rust color is most likely yeasts. It's not mold. It's going to look like mold, but don't worry. This is a yeast that's been collected in the process of fermentation, and it is absolutely beautiful. When you extract this thing out, make sure you just use some type of mesh netting in your funnel. And what you're going to be left with, again, is just a really, really powerful liquid. I can't emphasize this enough. This is just not an often talked about input, not nearly enough. But this pairs so well with all the other anaerobic liquid fertilizers that Chadam talks about. It's just not even funny. So I definitely encourage you guys to use this for soil trenches. But once you get your materials extracted from the liquid, go ahead and give it a breathable lid. Now, unlike a liquid, an FPJ, a fermented plant juice, this has a shelf life of roughly about 90 days. Okay, so you're going to want to use it within about a 90-day time frame. And because after 90 days, it really does start to lose its potency. So just extract it out and make sure you use it within about 90 days time. Use it on a weekly basis and you'll be ready to go. This is going to help feed your soil, the microbes, which in turn is going to help your plants and your trees. This is a short one today, you guys. My how-tos are going to be that way. And I hope if you haven't already, you will subscribe to my channel. Like this video and definitely hit that bell notification icon so you can be alerted next time I upload new content. And until next time, take care, everybody. Bye for now.